Imagine carrying a gaming PC that can also handle AI-powered productivity in your backpack. That is exactly what the new MSI Claw 8EX AI plus CG3 EM is aiming to do. This is not just another Windows gaming handheld. It is one of the very first Copilot Plus PCs built around Intel's brand new Arc G3 Extreme platform, and after diving into everything MSI has packed into this device, I have to say this thing is seriously ambitious. But does all of that cutting-edge hardware actually translate into an amazing real-world experience? Or is it just expensive hype? Stick around because we're covering everything from gaming performance and battery life to AI features and whether it's actually worth your money. And before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button because it really helps us bring you more in-depth tech reviews like this one. Let's start with the hardware because this is where things immediately get interesting. MSI has equipped the Claw 8EX AI Plus with Intel's latest Arc G3 Extreme processor, making it one of the first handhelds to showcase Intel's next-generation graphics architecture. Alongside that, you get 32 GB of super-fast LPDDR5X memory and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, so storage and multitasking are definitely not going to be a problem. The handheld also qualifies as a Copilot Plus PC thanks to its dedicated NPU capable of up to 46 TOPS for AI workloads, opening the door for Windows AI features that older handhelds simply cannot support. The display is another major highlight. MSI has gone with an 8-inch Full HD plus IPS touchscreen running at up to 120 Hz with variable refresh rate support. Colors look vibrant thanks to full sRGB coverage, while the 16:10 aspect ratio gives games a little more breathing room compared to standard widescreen displays. Whether you're exploring huge open-world games or simply browsing Windows, that extra screen space makes a noticeable difference. Brightness also reaches around 500 nits, making indoor gaming comfortable even in brighter environments. Now let's talk gaming because that's obviously why most people are interested in this device. Early testing shows the new Intel Arc G3 Extreme graphics deliver a healthy improvement over previous Intel handheld chips, especially when paired with CSS upscaling and frame generation in supported games. Modern AAA titles benefit from smoother frame rates, while esports games can easily push well beyond 60 frames per second depending on your settings. Thermal management has also improved with MSI's Cooler Boost Hyperflow cooling system, helping the handheld maintain performance without becoming uncomfortably hot during longer gaming sessions. Battery life is another area where MSI deserves credit. The massive 80 watt-hour battery is currently one of the biggest you'll find inside any gaming handheld. Naturally, your playtime depends on the game and power settings, but compared to many competing Windows handhelds, the Claw generally lasts longer before reaching for the charger. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports also add a surprising amount of flexibility. You can connect external displays, fast storage, docks, or even external GPUs, effectively turning this handheld into a compact desktop setup whenever you need it. If you're enjoying the review so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because we've got plenty more upcoming handheld and laptop reviews. Of course, no device is perfect. While performance and hardware are impressive, Windows still isn't as seamless on handhelds as a dedicated gaming operating system. MSI Center M has improved significantly, but some users still report occasional software quirks, although many simply launch games directly through Steam or Xbox. The biggest concern, however, is price. Depending on your region and configuration, the Claw 8EX AI Plus sits firmly in premium territory, making it a serious investment. If you're looking purely for affordable portable gaming, there are cheaper alternatives available. So who is this actually for? If you want one device that combines premium handheld gaming, full Windows functionality, AI-powered productivity, and future-ready hardware, the MSI Claw 8EX AI Plus stands out as one of the most advanced handhelds currently available. Between the excellent display, huge battery, powerful Intel graphics, generous memory, and Copilot Plus capabilities, it feels like MSI has finally found its stride after learning from earlier generations. It's not perfect, and the price will definitely make some buyers think twice, but from a technology standpoint, this is easily one of the most exciting handheld gaming PCs we've seen this year. Let me know down in the comments whether you would pick this over the Steam Deck, ROG Ally, or Legion Go. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure you subscribe, like the video and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big tech review.